Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Erin bin Ibrahim and my metric number is S67378. In this presentation, I'm going to talk about audit process and key audit matters for AAROON Holdings Berhad. First off, I'm going to explain a little bit about audit process. The audit process consists of three general stages, which are planning stage, evidence gathering stage, and last one is completion stage. For the first stage of planning stage, it will be appointment of auditors. The client appoints an independent auditor, and the next one is plan the audit. The auditor develops an audit plan including scope, objectives, and approach. And the next one is understand the client. The auditor gathers information about the client's business, industry, and operations. And the last one of planning stage will be risk assessment. The auditor identifies potential risks that could affect the financial statements. The second stage of audit process will be evidence gathering stage. The auditor will assess the internal controls as effective or not effective. The auditor evaluates whether the company's internal controls are reliable. If yes, they will perform tests of controls to confirm their effectiveness. If internal controls are effective, they will perform less substantive procedures. If not, they will report control weakness to the client and perform more substantive procedures. And the last stage of audit process is completion stage. After gathering sufficient evidence, the auditor will proceed to overall review of financial statement, a final check to ensure financial statements are fairly presented. Audit report. The auditor issues a report summarizing findings which may include any unqualified, qualified, adverse, or disclaimer of opinion. And now we are going to move to the key audit matters of AAROON Holdings Berhad. The first key audit matters reported in the auditor's report is subscription revenue recognition. The audit focused on subscription revenue recognition due to complex billing systems, product structures, and pricing, ensuring accuracy, occurrence, and compliance with accounting standards for the 2,688 million recorded revenue in financial year 2024. And the next key audit matters is impairment on cost or investment in subsidiaries. As of 31 January 2024, RM 1,741 million impairment was recognized on subsidiaries, including MBNS. The audit focused on recoverable amount estimation, requiring significant judgment on future cash flow, terminal growth rates, and discount rates. And the last key audit matters reported in the company's auditor's report is carrying values of PPE, intangible assets may not be recoverable. The audit focused on assessing the recoverability of goodwill, brands, spectrums, and other assets by evaluating financial projections, key assumptions, impairment indicators, and sensitivity analysis. Auditors review historical forecasts, discount rates, and market data, concluding that no impairment was required based on management assessment. And that's
And
all
that
from
is
me
the
to talk
end for
about
my video
the
presentation
audit
for
process
this
and also the
mini
key audit
segment.
matters
Thank you
for
very
AAROON
much.
Holdings Berhad. Thank you for
And that is
listening.
the end